Hello, this is an introduction video for Application Note 120. You will learn how to set up a ZigBee gateway on ARTIK 710 development board, ZigBee light and switch on ARTIK 030s. A Samsung ARTIK 710, two ARTIK 030s mounted on top of the Silicon Labs interface board are required. This application will allow users to form a ZigBee mesh network, including the gateway, switch, and light. Users can send an on-off toggle message from switch to light via the gateway. In the first part, we show how to create a gateway application using Simplicity Studio. Then compile and run the application on the ARTIK 710 board. Further, we give a stepwise procedure to create and upload both switch and light applications using Simplicity Studio. Once all the devices are set up, we create a ZigBee mesh network with the gateway as the router. To validate the mesh, we send on-off toggle messages from the switch to the light and verify them from the attributes table. This application note and source code can be downloaded from artik.io. Happy coding!